Hi, I'm Sam Parulekar, the founder of IMIND Training. I'm thrilled to introduce you to our new series, the Weekly Excel Challenge. Each week, I'll be sharing a new challenge along with a data file for you to download and work on. This initiative aims to boost your confidence in applying the Excel skills you have gained from our channel, IMIND Training. Additionally, it will help you prepare for real-world corporate challenges such as job interviews and appraisal tests. Looking forward to seeing you take on these challenges and grow your Excel expertise. Excel Weekly Challenge Number 1. The link for downloading this file is provided in the description of this video. Well, let us see the challenge. You're supposed to arrange a retirement party for one of our colleagues. You have researched and found a list of venues which are available. Now, you are supposed to count the total number of venues you have researched. Then you are supposed to count total number of the yeses, means available venues. Then you are supposed to count the total number of venues which are not available. Then you are supposed to test to ensure whether your formulas are working. And remember, more venues might be added to the list later. Pause the video and try to find the solution yourself. After that, come back and see the correct resolution. So here's how you are going to solve this scenario. First, we want to count the total number of venues. So before doing that, remember we have been given a tip that more venues might be added to the list later. So we'll first convert this into a table. So click anywhere inside the data, click on Insert and select Table. Select My Table has headers and click on OK. Let's select the black style. Okay, now we want to count the total number of venues. So we come into this venues column and over here we type equal to count A and we give open bracket and then we highlight the total number of venues. Then we close bracket and hit enter. Now we want to count the total number of yeses. So again we type equal to count A, open bracket and we highlight the yes column. Close bracket, hit enter and now we want to count the total number of no's. So we'll type equal to count A, open bracket and we count the no's. Close bracket and hit enter and you're done with this week's weekly challenge. Hope you like this challenge. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe and we will see you again in the next video. Till that time, goodbye.